Wait, where am I? This is my first time in America. I feel excited, but also nervous. My name is Emma. I just arrived in New York City.
Everything looks big. Everything looks fast.
I hope this week will be amazing. But I was wrong. Excuse me, sir, can you take me to my hotel?
Yes, get in.
Oh no. Sir, why are we going this way?
It's a shortcut.
This is not my hotel direction. Are you sure this is the right way?
Relax, I know the city.
I don't feel comfortable. Sir, please stop the car. I will take another taxi.
You still need to pay.
But we didn't arrive.
You must pay for time.
Oh no. This is my first problem. Good evening. Welcome to Liberty Hotel. Hi, I have a reservation. Name, please? Emma Johnson. I don't see your booking. What? I booked online. Are you sure? Yes, I have confirmation. Oh, I see the problem. Your booking is for next month. Next month? Yes. Today, we are fully booked. Oh my gosh, this can't be happening! I have to do something right now! Oh. This room is tiny. The window is broken. Why is this happening to me? Hi, I would like a burger and water.
Sure. That will be $28.
$28 for a burger?
Yes, welcome to New York.
Oh my goodness. America is expensive. Excuse me, how much is this charger?
$45.
What? In my country, it is $10. This is crazy.
Are you new here?
Yes,
You look stressed.
it's been a hard week.
America can be difficult, but it can also be beautiful. You just need time.
Maybe she is right. Maybe this is not a nightmare. This is just the beginning. America is big. America is different. Sometimes scary, sometimes beautiful. But every problem is a lesson. And I survived.